Hey guys, welcome back to Titan Reviews. Today, without wasting any time, we are going to be looking into Scriptdio. Scriptdio is a software that allows you to generate high-impact sales scripts using SRP technology by simply swiping done for you smart template blocks and filling in the blanks. This software is designed to help you sell anything. And the idea behind Scriptdio is to have a super easy to use sales copy maker with a very minimal learning curve. So anybody can make a sales script. Let us see some of the amazing things Scriptdio promises you and me. Scriptdio is the number one sales script automation app with SRP technology. With Scriptdio, you'll be able to convert any idea to a high impact sales script. You can also integrate your inputs with done for you sales script template blocks. It includes free software updates and you'll be able to gain access to 210 smart template blocks. With the three simple step process, you'll be able to make use of Scriptdio without prior experience, without any experience. Commercial license is included and it is also a cloud-based software, meaning you don't have to download Scriptdio or wait for any installation process. Presently, there's a founder special deal, so you can get Scriptdio at the discount price. Instead of getting Scriptdio for $24, you can get it for $20 with the $4 instant discount. The best part is also the 30-day money back guarantee, meaning that if you are not satisfied with the product after use, you can always get your money back. So let us see some of the things people are saying about Scriptdio. Richard Paul says he has been waiting for a scale script generator like this, and finally he has seen the best for his business. Richard also mentioned that Scriptdio is an amazing product. It's a software they've been waiting for, and it is definitely a good solution. There are also many more testimonials from real people. So if you want to see this for yourself, there'll be a link in the description to get access to that. So you've seen some of the things it does, and let us see how it actually works. How does Scriptdio work in three simple steps? The first step is simply just to choose the type of sales script you want to create, and the second step is where the magic happens. You are going to be showing some series of screens where you simply fill in the blanks with information like the product name, a product's price, its benefits, and so on. So after Scriptdio gets all this information, making use of copywriting fundamentals, it will be able to generate quality sales script for you and for your business. And after that has happened, you just need to click a simple button and you will produce a complete sales script that is ready for you to preview and download. That is it. That's just it. Those are the three steps you need to generate your next compelling sales script in minutes. So you can see for yourself how Scriptdio can be really efficient, how it can cut down a deal of time about creating scripts from scratch, and how its quality sales scripts can help you make money. So if you want to get Scriptdio for yourself, you can make use of the link in the description to get instant access. That is my simple review about Scriptdio. Thank you for watching and see you next time.